Across Montana, schools are facing a growing challenge, finding qualified teachers, especially in rural communities.
What we've seen is more and more students that are coming to us that are teaching on emergency licensure. And so we have adapted our program in order to meet the needs of school districts and current future teachers in Montana.
At Montana State University Northern, the answer is meeting students where they are, right in their own classrooms.
Now they can take a fully online elementary education program through us while they're teaching on their emergency licensure.
Northern's online program is built for flexibility, designed for working educators balancing full-time teaching and coursework.
I have revamped my classes over this past year to make sure that all of my assignments that I'm doing are relevant to the classroom, are assignments that they can immediately take and apply to the situation that they're in.
Students engage in hands-on, real-world learning. Even online, connection is key.
For the weekly discussion posts, rather than type them out, which has sort of been the traditional way that online education has done it since it started, we actually make the students do video notes where they have to record themselves. So again, it's relevant, it makes them be involved. It's a way to reduce their reliance on AI because I am watching and their peers are watching them comment in real time.
Through live sessions and cohort-based learning, students stay connected to faculty and each other.
A lot of the districts are eager to get teachers. They have a hard time. They're bringing in teachers from the Philippines. They have teachers on emergency licensure. They have positions that are unfilled. They're bringing back teachers that are retired.
Northern is helping build a pipeline of educators who understand the unique needs of Montana's communities. By listening to students and adapting in real time, the program stays relevant and effective.
We are listening to the feedback of our students, and so I try to design many of my assessments and assignments in my courses to be relevant to what they're doing in the classroom.
In a changing world, education is evolving, and MSU Northern is leading the way.
So I'm really trying to up the ante on what it is that we offer here at MSU Northern to better serve our students and to get more people into the teaching profession and into these rural communities that need caring and competent educators.